3 ways to view private Instagram photos without following. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn 3 ways that you can view photos of private accounts in Instagram. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Instagram app and get logged into your Instagram account. Now let's go ahead and search for the person that you are trying to see the photos of. The first way you could do it is by creating a fake account and then requesting them to see their photos. And the second way you could do it is simply asking your friend to send them follow request, and you can access all of their photos inside their private account through your friends. And in case you just want to see their profile picture of what they look like, you can take a screenshot of this page and open up your gallery section and zoom into their profile to view their photo. Or you can just tap onto it and view it just like this. That is the only 3 ways you could see photos in private accounts. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then be sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this.